Hey everyone, today I'm reviewing the MOVA Mobius 60 robot vacuum and mop. A smart cleaning robot with AI navigation, self-emptying spin, high suction power, and ability to climb obstacles up to 8 to 9 centimeter. Can this really take over your cleaning routine? Let's find out. Let's open the box and see what we did. Inside the box we have MOVA Mobius 60 robot vacuum and mop, charging dock, power cable, self-emptying dust base, water tank and mop attachment, 4 different mop pads, side brush, user manuals. Everything's packed neatly and ready to go. The design is sleek and compact. From the top, you see the control button and sensors. Underneath are the main brush, side brush, mop attachment area on wheels. The robot is low enough to get under furniture, but it also has strong wheels that it let climb up to about 8 to 9 centimeter. Great for threshold and rugs. Setting up the Mobius 60 is simple. Place the charging dock, download the MOVA app, connect to Wi-Fi. Let the robot do its AI smart mapping. It uses AI technology to scan your rooms, avoid obstacles, and climb the most efficient cleaning routes. This makes it faster and more accurate than basic mapping robots. Now the suction, and it's impressive. The Mobius 60 has high suction power, about 30,000 pascals, strong enough to pick up dust and debris, crumbs, pet hair, dirt deep in carpets. It's automatically increase suction when it detects carpets, and its power rival many stand-alone vacuum in daily cleaning performance. One standout feature is the self-emptying dust base. After a cleaning run, the robot automatically returns to the dog and empties its dustbin into the base, so you don't have to do it every day. This is a huge convenience boost for busy homes. This robot doesn't just vacuum, it mops too. And it includes 4 separate mop pads, standard mop pad for everyday cleaning, deep cleaning pad, tough for stains, microfiber pad for dust and fine particles, polishing pad, it leaves floors shiny. This variety is something many robots cleaners don't offer. With the MOVA app, you can start or stop cleaning, schedule daily cleaning time, create no-go zones, clean selected rooms only. The AI smart navigation helps the robot clean logically instead of randomly, which saves time and battery life. The Mobius 60 navigates smoothly around furniture and obstacles. Its AI mapping helps it understand room layouts. And because it can climb up to 8-9 cm, it manages low threshold and small obstacle without getting stuck. Here are standout positives. Its AI smart navigations, efficient and adaptive, self-emptying base. It's less manual work. High suction power is great for pets and dirt. 4 different mops that helps flexible cleaning. Climbs up to 8-9 cm. It handles sticker ruts and doorways. No product is perfect. There is some disadvantages. It struggles with very thick carpets compared to big upright vacuums. The water tank may need frequent refills in bigger homes. Not a full replacement for deep hand cleaning on heavy messes. It compared to many robot cleaners, the AI navigation and self-emptying base put it above mid-range robots. The multiple mop pad give it more versatility, so you can use like in the main floor or the kitchen floor and the bathroom floor separately. High suction and 8-9 cm climbing make it stronger than many entry-level models. Some premium robots may have automatic water refilling or advanced obstacle avoidance. But the Mobius 60 balanced features and price very well. So, should you buy it? Yes, if you want daily maintenance cleaning, smart navigation, self-emptying convenience, strong suction, good mopping variety, then yes, the MOVA Mobius 60 is a powerful helper for PC households. If this review helped you, hit like and subscribe for more tech reviews. Comment below if you want a comparison with other robot vacuums. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.